Oh, well, you only got an Instagram? Well, we'll take that. We'll take that. They be on that bullshit. Can't have nothing. Anyways, subscribers, let's see. October 6th, 2022. That's a 7. October 7, 10/7/22. We got Mission TV. It looks like, what's that? Mandarin. Shouts out to them. Y'all know to go speak that language with them. We got 38.5K subs also. Then we've got Love Your Toy Pups 4. Got 37.9K subs. Sub to me January 18th, 2024. So apparently this list is by their subscriber count, which will be a good demographic just to display in this video for today. You know, I ain't trying to hold y'all up all day, but that's one of the points. Look who's watching. We got big channels watching you, boy. And we'll just keep going through here kind of fast now, just to let you know. You know, you can ask for a list in a later video. I might get that to you. Because for those who don't believe, we've actually got big channels that watch your boy. So these are probably the 40 people that be in and out the videos from time to time that don't really say too much because they busy themselves. But they'll sit back and watch when they got a minute or they got that blunt out shit. They rolling up too. So let's see. It says I've got many pages of subscribers, and this just showed you the first 50. And within the first 50, we're still above 16,000 subscribers. So you see what I'm saying? I got over 50 subscribers with 15K or higher. There's 50 people that you see what I'm saying. We gonna have to come back and do some better networking with them. How can I increase your value and all that good shit? Shout out to Yield Source because they got 16.2K subs. Garden State Gardeners got 16. What? Garden State's doing that good over there? Appreciate that, Garden State. I'll be getting memberships all the time for Spider Pig over there for Garden State Gardener because, you know, I got different accounts and different phones. So Spider Pig is big on Garden State Gardener as far as one of the people I support back on that channel also because, you know, we network on all channels. Baby, I keep telling you I got to do 3 times the homework because I got 3 accounts. You know what they say, you play the game on hard, you get the hard reward. A 1057. Let's see. Shout out to Joy. You see her on there, Joy Carcevera. December 27, 2022. That means she's coming up on being a sub for 2 years. You see what I'm saying? She's got 13.4K subs. Shout out to Joy. She's doing good out here in them streets. Especially on YouTube, because you know how YouTube be. Let's see. Looking through names, numbers, and how long they've been subscribed. They've been subscribed for a while. Let's see. April 1st, 2023. Let's see. Go through and find somebody that's been subscribed since 2021. One of them old heads. Talk about them for a sec, right? Not too long, just long enough. 22, 24. Here's a November 2021. That's J-Rock Cultivation. And Big Bro J-Rock's got what? 7.5K subs. See, bro's been over here for a minute and he doing good. Much appreciation to Jay